G'day, it's Rod from Cooper Cricket here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, this is part two of our refurbing of all these grey nick bats. We've still got a lot of work to do. So we're just going to do one more sand onto these, and then we'll give them a polish, and then we'll be ready to mask them up to paint. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're all done with the sanding, thank goodness. So the next step is to paint all of these scoops. So what we've got to do is we've got to wipe out the scoops and get all the dust out of them so that they're nice and clean, so that when we paint it, we're not going to get gunk in there. And then, so I'll do that with this wet rag and then a dry rag. And then I've got some of my magic tape here, which will mask it up and allow us to put a nice curve around there. I think when they first got done, when Grey Nick used to do them, they would paint them and then sand them. And then that would, leave a nice clean finish. What I have found on the second-hand bats doing that, or old bats, is that they don't always sand well and leave a nice clean line around there. So we try and achieve that with the tape, and that's why we polish them before we paint them, so that we don't have to then go over and sand them again, and then we get a bit of an uneven finish where there might, where it might not be perfect. So then we'll go into the paint booth and paint them all up and get them sorted. But anyway, so let's get into cleaning these all down, and then we can paint them. Okay, so we're all done. They came up really, really well. Working with these vintage bats is always a challenge. There's always something that they throw at us. Even if we've done them before, they always take longer than we expect. However, the end product comes out great. Got any questions or comments? Leave them in the section below, and we'll see you in the next one.